हाँ, thank God.
Yeah, it's later off. You're busy, beta?
अरे, I'm having a smoke ray.
When are we
Okay,
going?
beta.
Not even I feel
What, you also feel like?
having a smoke.
Why are
No,
you so
very long
soft,
time.
Ray? Rahul?
Don't have, man. Rapia.
Just just
Rahul, I can't hear you.
one with
Very
some
bad.
friends. I think I'll call Khanse. Tell him Mata ke niche.
Hey, that's so nice, yeah, now that Khanse Sejal are in the same building as Vicky.
Yeah.
Deepak jumping.
ए नागार्जुना प्लाजा उधर जाके मैं ड्रॉपिंग्स करेगा.
Nani?
Yeah.
Hey, dude, that thing is so tall, man.
Hey, Kanu, really? Bombil. अरे हमको ईमेल कौन भेजेगा? Lots of people going to Nakapoka.
This guy is 1-8 यार sad. अरे vehicle.
Vehicular transport.
No, Karthik went and got car and all.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm...
He doing some fancy shit.
You have to just the right one. The right button. Yeah. Hey, behind you, Hashi. Behind you.
Okay. Throwing knife से मारा उसको. बड़ा मुझे आना चाकू फट जाना.
Coming in, one more.
One more coming in.
ये मेरे को नहीं सुनाई दिया.
Couldn't hear Deepak.
Ellie
One more,
Chopper.
one more.
Okay. I have my throwing knife again.
It's recoverable, apparently, the throwing.
Yes, Karthik.
I'm coming. I'm on my way.
Anyways, because
You need help?
it's easy.
Hey,
And
what the hell? I've been
physically,
on mute the entire fucking time.
Yeah.
Karthik
I've
कब
been
से
saying-
बोल रहा तेरे को?
Sorry. Boys, what are you doing? What is speed?
Just looted
Someone
fabric.
else is also here, Karthik.
Okay. I will see if anyone shoots at me, okay, in this car.
Okay.
See and tell us.
Yeah, they've opened the door at the back here.
Yeah.
Yeah, under me, under. Oh, no, that's us.
No, there is another guy.
Yeah, I see a guy here.
Where is you?
Downed him.
Oh, one more guy.
Fuck. Toilet में इधर. फर्रक कर.
Coming in the door. Rahul, coming to the door.
Okay.
My gun switched, man. Fucking hell.
I killed him. Okay, come with me. Now you're fine.
Yeah.
It's all us.
Checking heartbeat. My gun switches, sometimes while shooting in the middle. Very
Come, we
weird.
can buy a loadout and we have money for Hershey.
Someone's on our right, Karthik.
Okay.
I thought.
No, there's no one.
This is by.
Okay, you are right.
Batman film.
I got money.
I need the money, boys.
I've dropped everything. There is more money in.
Yeah, why can't I buy Harshit?
I'll tell you what. Now you can.
Now,
Thank you very much, boys.
Jay.
I appreciate. Mamia, babia, rapia.
Cool money.
Why?
actually, I want to buy.
Buy plates.
Plates, yeah.
Drop for me also.
Hey, drop for me also.
I'll need munitions, plates.
UI.
Who's giving?
Plates I
Karthik,
give you. One.
Karthik liya
Plate,
sir.
I dropped one here. You can take two more here. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Munitions will give?
I'll drop.
Missions to, one
I'll-
clip I can also drop, yeah.
Deepak, is that you? Deepak?
Actually, I can't drop. I have only 30.
I drop
Oh
for you
my
here.
God.
One clip I've dropped.
There are
Thank
two
you,
clips
brother.
on top.
SMG?
There's 2 clips on top.
Okay, I'll pick it up. Thank you.
Shotgun marked.
No one got my joke, right?
We didn't hear what you said.
Saj.
Such.
I
Is
said,
it?
Deepak, is that you?
Because I was asking for loot. Hey, chopper.
Mamya? Hey, Mamya!
Mami,
अबे रैम्बो कौन है बे? इतना ऊपर क्या देख रहा हो? इधर से जा रहा दीपक ऐसा कर रहा था. दीपक ऐसा. Deepak was looking like this, boys.
to place out.
Let's get the bounty.
Yeah, Deepak, don't
We
try
can buy-
to cover it up now. Okay.
हो गया बड़ा वो खत्म. We can buy a UAV also.
Loot.
I'm driving.
I bought a UAV. Yeah? You want to take this? This is definitely going to downtown, no? Hey, fuck this shit, man. Let's just go.
Yeah, let's just go.
We can buy one more anyway, right?
Yeah.
I'm tabbing.
I need recon on my position.
Hey,
I'm driving.
right.
I didn't do anything.
Get out.
Dude, this is too far, Karthik. No one would have come here.
Really, yeah.
Yeah, we are very far from circle.
What if someone returns from the circle, from the gulag?
A Jula.
Will they
That's
pick up his
cool.
bounty and leave, no?
See people fighting here in the river on the left.
Rahul, don't lie.
No, really, I saw tracers.
Hey, Rapia.
Okay, we'll just take this bounty, then we'll go to them only. And y'all pool money and buy, na? Please. Rahul and Xylin.
Hachi.
And Xylin.
Hey, Rapia, buy na.
But take me another closer. Fastings.
These guys are easy clap, huh?
Rahul, what are you doing?
Where is that thing, man?
It's there. I don't know. You tried to go
Joan,
into
Joan.
that little wall over there. I saw you.
Rapia, Jonara.
Yeah, but
Hold in here. Karthik Bana. Mamya.
I go. Hey, Papya.
They didn't see the Joan. Now we catch them.
they're shooting
Deepak, this is
somebody.
Deepak and Rahul's favorite spot.
Yeah, we get Kakus here all the time.
One car we'll have to fight here.
Oh shit. Yeah, fight the truck.
पीछे कोई नहीं है.
हाँ, इधर
Solo
उतारता
है,
मैं. इधर उतारता है.
हाँ, सोलो है.
मार्च हो रहा है.
तो
आ गए
मार
लोग.
रहे.
UAV
Mark,
डालो
mark,
please.
mark.
UAV डालो
राहुल इधर
please.
इधर. राहुल इधर.
UAV
इधर
डालो.
देख.
UAV डालो.
बन गया यार.
UAV डालो.
डाल रहा.
To orange, boys. Come to orange.
Throwing stun.
I need help.
Me too, yeah.
Both of them.
I'm getting hit. Thermite out.
Is there one in the house?
Yeah, one in the house on the left. On the left house. Yeah, that one.
Save your skin on that one.
Nice.
Dude, I had fucked this guy earlier, man. He came all the way around.
Buy me, please. I'll get my stuff here.
Yeah.
Truck coming.
Drop money. Drop. I'll pick it.
Is coming, boys. Careful.
Hey, kill this guy,
Thank you so
man.
much.
Welcome so much.
ये तब से अपने को annoy कर रहा है.
I can't help you now. See to play another game, no please, like Angry Birds or something. I cannot.
Someone took my MP5, yeah.
I did. I will give it to you. Come to
Okay,
the
bye.
loadout, Harshit. Just come to the loadout. Take whatever gun you
I'll
have.
just
Come to the loadout. Deepak, Rahul, you all should have bought a UAV. What happened?
Now we go there and buy. No, I bought him. Then I didn't have money.
Okay, good point. Deepak is AFK.
I'll drop you an MP.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mac 10.
Rahul, Harshit, your gun is there.
Yeah.
Here, take this Mac 10.
Oh, thank you.
Gun
huh?
is there, where? MP5? I got it.
Thanks, Rahul.
Okay, I'll go you money.
1 sec.
Thank you if you want to get.
I just need plates now.
I have only 3 Brothers.
Here, but I take this. I'll drop you.
Come quickly now. Deepak, are you preoccupied?
No, I'm playing.
You're laser focused?
Yeah,
Okay.
We buy here, okay?
Yeah, please.
drop money.
Bring money.
Dropping here.
Drop behind, Deepak.
Let's go.
You all bought?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Maybe pop one UAV now. We'll go and hunt the next
Popping.
team that we'll fucking see.
हमने भी we had only one.
नहीं तो ये कर लो फिर अभी recon.
हाँ करते हैं.
Yeah, I think better. Be careful here, okay?
I'm very careful.
You be careful.
Okay.
Okay.
Come.
Come.
There's a team here at blue.
And blue?
Blue, yeah.
He's a floater,
Yes.
na? I think.
He landed.
No, no,
Uh,
no.
There's an
They are
entire team
together,
there.
please.
Oh, okay. Fine. Excuse me. We will do this. Okay.
बे ये गाड़ी कट कर रहा मेरे को.
What is peak? Where is blue? Oh, there.
हमको दिखा इधर रखे कोई no but.
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
What is peak? Make 4,000 on each side. Come on. Share your money.
Copy
Piche
cash
bhi.
drop.
Okay, then now Rahul, you take the rest. Hashi, give him $800. We can buy 2 UAVs. And then let's now go to the zones. Okay.
All
Come on.
back.
Johnny.
You're taking that thing.
You can take
I'll
that.
take the other car.
I'm taking the
okay,
car.
Okay, okay.
Come.
As long as my favorite Deepak Bada is not driving.
Hey.
What is peak?
Where are we going, Bada?
Bada, here.
Hey.
This guy. We're going here.
Ambo.
Target area is marked.
He's selfing.
I got him.
Oh, one.
Where's the other guy?
On the
He's
hill.
facing.
Right, here. Orange marker.
Yeah, correct.
I'm plating.
Friendly UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
I'm bleeding.
Coming.
I'm trying to get towards Hashi.
I got
I'm
him.
trying to get more.
Down,
Someone get.
down. He's down. I'm getting him. I'm getting Hashi. Okay, you go.
Good job, boys.
There's one more here. Rahul.
I got him.
Nice.
Team my pass.
I time to run over him.
Yeah.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
See from behind us, boys.
A lot of money on us, boys.
Behind us means where?
ये ट्रेन पे भी रहता शायद.
Let's go. Continue to our zone, na? The way we're going.
Yeah. We'll
Saturday
make
or
the
if
stop
anyone wants.
at that buy if possible.
Deepak, maybe you give your money to me. Huh?
Yeah, take it.
Hey, someone's shooting me from Virgin. Sniping from Virgin Towers.
Okay.
We got recon online.
See over there behind
Look at
us.
this. नीचे.
Karthik, I'm moving.
I'll sit here.
Lots of people on the left at purple map.
Let's just go to the center of the zone. We go to this buy zone here, boys.
See people
Joker.
at green in the back.
We go here
And here
first.
in the bunker.
We'll kill that bunker fellow.
Ah,
But let's
and-
go
and
here
at the
first.
back
Let's
bunker
spend the
also.
money here.
Okay, I'm buying the UAV.
Buy UAV and give the rest of your money. Who is Deepak? Deepak has to buy. Deepak, buy UAV and give rest of your money. Rahul, pop a UAV.
Okay, popping.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Harshit, take this
My
money.
goodness. One's at the buy over there. One's in. Two are in police.
Kill the guy, man. Kill this fucking guy. Come. He's going on the river. He's in the middle of the open.
Yeah. He's here at the bunker, just in front.
Throwing stun.
No hit.
And got him.
One more at blue.
Yeah.
I'm just circling.
Might just be on the top, little bitch.
He might be full top, yeah.
Can someone confirm or deny that he's
on.
full top?
I think he's full top. I think I see him full top.
Wait. I'm going up.
First floor.
Throwing stun.
He's down full top.
I've thrown 2 thermites. I should get a kill. Yeah, there you go.
Nice. Well done. Now there is a team at police.
How many UAVs do we have now?
I have a UAV. Do I pop?
If
Wait,
you
wait,
want,
wait.
you can
Fuck.
pick up the recon on top.
Here.
Yeah, I'm taking the recon.
Move to the next
Yeah.
area.
Let's go and do the
secure
recon now.
perimeter.
Take the ammo, boys.
Mark some gear.
Chokas.
Okay, I'm.
Have you dropped the ammo?
Sure.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
he's
on top.
dropped.
I marked.
Okay, never mind. I don't want it.
Be advised, there's an enemy team hunting you.
Ami किधर जा रहा है?
Hey, where is that?
Recon.
Hey, here only. On our recon. He's taking the car. Oh, little bitch, man.
Which country?
Rahul, right here, huh?
Yeah.
On the right. Oh,
Oh,
someone
behind
shooting us.
On top where we were.
Get off.
I think we came from.
Oh, I got one.
Fucking rat. Teammate.
D किधर?
Bhaga. Ignore. Someone shot Rahul from the back when you were on the truck.
Yeah.
Y'all heard me, right?
See Karthik's threat also. It's the
Yeah, I
threat.
heard.
Roof of
Deepak,
quarry
money me.
building.
Deepak, money.
See alive. Okay, I broke him.
Requesting recon.
I don't see your live mark.
You
Here,
see the UAV though.
There, I'm
Hmm.
going.
Okay.
Running out in the open.
Moving.
One guy shooting me, yaar.
Be advised.
One guy's out in
UAV
the
is
open
bingo
at the
fuel.
plane.
RTB for resupply.
Not one. Oh, here on the side. There's one more in front of.
Safe zone
I'm popping a
relocation.
UV.
Nice.
See.
UAV overhead.
Hey, attack this guy in the bunker, dude. 3-on-1 him. He's on the right.
Down them.
Now,
Nice.
kill the last
You
guy.
covered.
Last guy's out in the open. Yep. Got it.
Revive him.
Who has some money?
I have the money. I'll get him.
Go.
You all can buy one more UAV.
I come. Deepak.
Thank you so much.
Deepak, I'm dropping my money here.
Okay.
Actually, you have enough. Come and buy one.
If I die again, do not buy me.
Deepak, give Rahul some
Deepak,
money for
drop
yourself.
little money.
Now we play for final circle, huh, boys? We just go inside and play full rat. Come to me, Deepak. Don't go anywhere. They don't have any good loot anyway.
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
Hashi.
On me.
Body armor.
No!
Moving in. Move to the next area and secure the perimeter.
People on you?
I pop now.
Nee,
Pop
behind. They were behind.
Somebody pop.
They were thoda fast.
Friendly UAV overhead.
There.
We go on from here.
Come with me. Go to factory. Come.
Rahul, you're going.
Factory.
Come.
Okay,
Yeah.
sorry,
We're going superstore. Let's just go
Here.
fucking superstore. We know superstore, okay? Right? We know superstore, right?
UAV
Yep,
overhead.
Yes.
So we play from superstore. Come. Fucking do this shit.
One guy inside super. Ground on top mostly.
Yeah. Yeah. Finish this contract quickly. I'm watching
Oh
straight
my
down
god,
this.
lad.
Moving here.
Someone watch my right.
What is your right?
I got your right.
I'm watching the back.
Okay, we're in
Primary
zone.
objective accomplished.
The
Recon intel
challenge
secured.
here
Well-
is to see if we can get on top.
Full top, na?
Full
Hey,
top.
then let's get out and take the crappy one by one.
I
Fire.
got
From
shot.
where?
The
From
straight-
office.
I'm plating. Just
Plating,
Deepak,
same.
run out the same way we came. We'll go take the grapple. There's no one on top.
They're in.
Yeah,
Okay.
come. Take the grapple up. Harshit, speak to me.
I'm getting up. Don't worry, I'll join you up.
How do you go?
I'm on top, huh?
told you.
Got top. Waiting for y'all.
Okay.
Nice.
Now we hold top.
Over here.
Down to Hilo.
Just hold top. Guys, please watch the end. It's very easy to breach top, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, Harshit, sorry. My bad, Harshit.
Final deployment is fueling up now.
I'm watching. Just everyone stay near ladder.
You've got gas inbound. Safe
Rahul,
zone
you need to
relocation.
watch
ladder.
this zipline here.
Okay, I was
Orange zipline, okay?
I'm watching this. I'm watching blue.
Go on from here.
Okay.
Two things to watch here, zipline and ladder.
I'm here. I'm with Rahul. Okay, you need
Yeah.
cover, alright. Then come here, Rahul.
See this?
Moving here.
Person landed on green.
Going this way.
Green.
On green.
Okay.
One guy's under me. I can hear him.
Okay, you're not
The guy who
fighting,
shot
yeah,
Karthik.
Deepak. We have no.
No, I'm not. I just
Rahul,
have.
Where you
I'm
get shot
Karthik.
from?
See, are you there? In
There. I'm
that
going.
green across.
Don't worry, you'll make it.
Lagging
Stay
out of
down
my
there.
brain.
Somebody bought in front.
So two
At
people.
Cooper.
Eh.
Position.
I'm plating, okay? Karthik, the guy behind us in green is a sniper, okay? Be careful. Listen, I'm just holding this zipline from here.
Dude, नीचे कुछ revival हो रहा है।
I feel
मेरी
like
साइड
buying
से
a.
टीम आने वाला है.
If you're not in the safe zone,
Huh?
better get moving.
मेरी साइड से एक पूरा टीम आएगा ग्रीन से.
हाँ 100%. उधर एक है green पे.
हाँ. And Deepak, I have two things to watch here, zipline and ladder.
I'm the only one on this side, or?
I have a laserable target.
Mark the target.
Hit him.
Laser,
Okay, hit
laser.
him.
Whoever you can
He went the
laser.
other side. He went the other side. One guy's here. There's a lot of people on my side.
Fire! Thermite out!
One guy res self right under me.
Lights out!
Killed one guy. They were under me. Deepak, I'm coming to you. You okay?
Yeah, all good, all good.
Anyone have
I
a plate box or by any chance?
I have.
No.
I need, yeah.
Okay, dropping.
Just drop your plates and pick it up, no?
Yep.
Gas is moving in. New safe Body zone armor located.
People reviving over there.
Either. Okay.
Taking
Who's
fire
hit me?
over
Green,
here.
green,
the
green,
left.
green, 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 green से पड़ रही है मेरे को. Rahul's
Okay.
old
मेरे
back.
नीचे लोग हैं.
Come.
Have to get them now.
मेरे नीचे लोग हैं.
Airstrike. Take
Shit,
cover.
yeah, precision.
Somehow you all survived. Very good.
Yep.
I'm coming up to you again. Can you all challenge green or no?
I
Just a
can't see
question.
him,
Yeah, I can see him. I can see him. I'm coming back up to you again.
Gas is closing in.
Yeah. Challenge green. Green down. He's
Lovely,
down, he's
Rahul.
down.
Lovely,
But I
lovely,
don't know
lovely,
if we
Rahul.
can kill him.
We can. He has to come in from zone.
Enemy
Precision
airstrike.
Under
Take
precision.
cover.
कितने डाले बे?
Round one.
Target right here.
One more.
Enemy UAV.
One right underneath us.
Right underneath us, okay.
Yeah, underneath where I am.
To my line.
Gas is inbound. Marking
Need
new
help
safe
this side, boys. This is the last team.
Target right here.
Rahul, drop me some ammo. I need ammo very
Yeah,
badly.
I've dropped. Casey,
Yeah, I need ammo
watch our
too.
backs. Watch our backs. There's a team right underneath us.
One opened a door under us, yeah.
Yeah, Deepak, very nice. Yeah, thank you.
You
For...
share the
Deepak,
AR,
don't
please.
jump down.
No, no, no.
Deepak, share AR.
Drop it.
Oh, who's doing recon?
Hey, Hashi, can you drop a clip?
There's someone doing a
I
recon
have
here.
zero.
Gas is
Okay,
moving.
okay.
Raul, come.
If you're not in the safe zone, better get moving.
Thanks.
Very nice. Someone's in here. They're doing a recon.
Yeah, he's dead, Karthik.
He's single.
Recon guy's dead.
Listen, there's a rose skin underneath us, Karthik.
Got it. Here. I lit him up. One more guy there.
One more. I broke him. I'm self.
Covering you all.
Got him.
Nice.
Coughing on our right.
One guy. The guy that I downed self.
Okay.
It's 3 other people.
Andres.
Nice.
Got him.
Nice.
It's
Nice.
2 other. It's 3 other people now with 2
4
teams.
on 2.
Yeah.
4 on.
There's
4 on
one
3.
solo. We just hug left and we're in zone on top over
We
here.
spread out our ears.
Closing in.
Yeah,
Dude,
here
don't
I
have
can
any.
give one clip. That's it. Nice.
Nice.
Last guy.
Where?
Last two.
Last 2.
I'm looking on the other side now.
Down.
Down. Can you mark?
Yeah. No, I can't.
Here, down in the middle.
Taking fire over
Other
here.
side. Purple. Both purple.
I broke him.
Stun grenade out.
Once again.
Yes, alone one.
Closing in. Relocating to the safe zone.
I can't see him. There's so much fire.
Nice. Gee. Wow, that was a fun win, dude.
My god. What is this? 10 plus 8, 18 plus 28.
There was fire everywhere, dude.
Yeah, that one. I didn't tell you.
And Rahul was constantly shooting me. There was one Rambo over there who was shooting me.
No, that is me only. I got so afraid. It's okay, Babu. We'll crack a new egg. Because we don't have more apples.
It was revived some 5 times.
It's okay.
It's okay. You got the last kill now.
Yeah,
Well played.
well played everyone.
GG, bruh.